Okay, so I got my zhiyun. I think that's what it's called, zhiyun smooth forward. And I need a counterbalance. Here's what I have. So what I got is my BB guns, where the BBs come in at, the box, and Velcro. Let's check that out. Okay, so basically here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna add some BBs to do the counterweight. I think that would be sufficient. Now let's check it out. Oh, before I forget, obviously we don't want those BBs to be running around there. So I added some paper. Paper from the bathroom paper. So I can go ahead and stop it. So basically this is my setup here. So I put in the counterweight right there. And if some of you guys are asking what the heck is that right there on the side, well, that's so I can connect my external mic and I can extend it further out. And as you can see, it looks pretty good. Pretty good to me. I'm obviously gonna go ahead and paint it so it can look a little better. Hi.
Hi, baby.
So let's check it out. I think it works fine. And if you like this channel, make sure to subscribe. I'll be updating quite a bit of stuff regarding this and some other stuff that I have here. Until next time.